Hey guys, my name is Curtis and I'm that Bernina guy at Stitching Heaven. Today we're going to be talking about how to thread your Bernina 3 Series machine. Now, when I say 3 Series, this is your 325, 330, 335, 350, and 380. Today's demo is going to be on a Bernina 330, and we're going to go through this and show you how to thread it properly. So, to get started, I take my thread and make sure my thread's ready to go off the spool. Got a brand new spool of thread, and I'm gonna fit it on, and then I'm gonna take my spool cap and put it on and secure my thread into place. Now, I use two hands to do this when I go to thread. In my right hand, I'm gonna keep perfect tension on my thread so that I make sure that the thread, as I'm threading the machine, will fall into the proper places and falls straight through the tensioning discs that are in here, and as I go through, make sure everything's properly fit. So step one, I go behind to the hook that's behind the machine on the back cover. I bring it straight over and it slides straight in through those discs, and I just follow the arrows, go down and around, come straight back up to the take-up lever, follow that in and around the guide, and then it falls straight into the take-up lever. Bring it straight back down, go through this other guide, and then on the needle bar there's another guide just above the top of the needle, and then I take it over to my threader head, pull it through. I felt it snap into place, and then at the same time I'm going to release tension with my right hand as I'm letting the needle threader go back up into position, and it pulls it through. And that's how you thread your machine. Please like, subscribe, and at the bottom there's a little bell. Hit that, and that will notify you of any new videos that we may have here at Stitching Heaven. Have a great day. Give us a call if you ever need anything.